Are you eager to reach your money goals? Do you feel that your income right now is insufficient? Worry not, because in this video you will learn about the steps you can do to create additional income sources which can help you reach your goal much sooner. If you want to learn all the details, make sure to watch until the very end. Number 1. One of the things you can do to increase your income is to open an online business. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit the world, millions of people lost their livelihoods or had their job hours drastically cut, creating an unimaginable level of turmoil in the labor sectors worldwide. In fact, according to the World Bank, 11% of the businesses laid off their workers, and 65% of the companies adjusted the salary and hours of the employees. Businesses were also greatly affected since sales dropped by 27% on average. Still, in these trying times, online businesses became one of the main sources of income for many people. Even now, when the restrictions are gradually being lifted, online businesses still prove to be very profitable and may even work as your passive income. Number 2. Freelancing. Freelancing can earn you a considerable amount of money. In fact, a study conducted by Upwork, one of the most well-known sites for freelancing, reveals that 60% of people who switch from a full-time job to freelancing earn more money. Thus, if you want to earn extra money, you can choose to go for freelancing. Number 3. Create online novels, short stories, and etc. You can make novels and earn from them using websites such as WebNovel or write short stories for online magazines such as The Sun and Agni. If you are very interested in writing in the first place and have ready-made works already, then you might as well sell them and earn extra money on the side. Number 4. Rent out extra space. If you have extra space in your home, you can earn from it by renting it to others. You can be creative with the space you're going to rent out. If you only have a vacant lot, then you can use it as a parking space. Recognize the requirements of your neighborhood and concentrate on possibilities when demand is strong. This is one of the easiest sources of income, especially when you have lots of properties unused. Number 5. Rent out useful items. Other than extra space, you can choose to rent out useful items you have at home to earn extra money. Create a way for your prospective customers to find your merchandise and a method for them to pay for it. Tents, cameras, and bicycles are a few goods you may rent out for them to use. Although there is always a chance that your goods may be destroyed or stolen, you can lessen this risk by using contracts that allow you to replace the item at the client's expense. Number 6. Use your car as an advertising medium. By merely driving your car around town, you might be able to make some additional cash. Get in touch with a professional advertising firm, and they will assess your driving patterns, including where you go and how far you travel. Just be selective about the advertising firms you're going to work with and make sure that their operation is legitimate. Otherwise, you might not get paid. Number 7. You can use your vehicle to deliver products or transport people. If you own some vehicles like a car or a motorcycle, you can use them to deliver food or transport people. Service websites like Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, and Postmates can help you start with these kinds of services. Number 8. Use your life experience. If you have the experience, you can coach others to do better on something they want to be better at. You can earn from sharing your knowledge and helping others apply them in life. You can offer live coaching in sports, consultation with startup businesses, and assistance in making YouTube videos. The more experienced you are, the higher the price. Number 9. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube can be a source of passive income, especially when you have a certain interest that others share. Videos about your cats and dogs, your daily beauty routine, and cooking tips can be your content. You can make money from advertising if your YouTube videos have a large following. Do note that before qualifying for the YouTube Partners program, you must reach a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch times in the last 12 months. These requirements can be quite difficult to reach, so if you like our content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to help our channel. Number 10. Study and invest in stocks. Despite the high learning curve, investing in stocks is a smart way to build money that will last a lifetime. You may increase your savings, protect your funds from inflation and taxes, and increase the return on your assets by purchasing stocks in a variety of firms. It's essential to understand that there are dangers associated with investing in the stock market, which is why it is important to study them first before you invest. Number 11. You can offer and sell online courses. If you have specializations or fields of expertise, then take advantage of them by making audio or video courses online. There aren't many restrictions on the kind of courses that you want to make, whether it's about entrepreneurship, management, software operation, or design. Sites like Skillshare, Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific, and Coursera can help you with the creation and distribution of your courses. You can also opt to make free content and then monetize the more detailed ones. Number 12. Declutter your house. If you have objects such as books, clothes, and furniture gathering dust in your house, then it may be time for you to declutter. It may be hard to part with them, but if you really want to have extra money, then you should only keep the things you need. Don't let these objects sit there and lose their value in time, because that is similar to losing potential income. Lastly, you can sell some stock photos. You may earn cash by posting your quality images on stock photo websites, especially if you enjoy photography. They may be candid pics from your daily life that you already have on your phone, or beautiful travel photos from around the world. Influencers, bloggers, and online advertisers are always looking for images that adhere to copyright laws for their web pages. With this, you can use websites like Getty Images and Shutterstock to sell some stock photos and earn additional money. If you have the time, then you can definitely start setting up for some of the things on the list. If you are presented with an opportunity to start now, then grab it instead of letting the time pass, making you lose potential extra cash. Who knows, maybe this video is already a sign for you to get out there and start. Did the list help you? Do you have experience regarding the suggestions on the list? Make sure to comment your thoughts down below and see you in the next video.